So now let's go to Reflect.run and create a test case. I have already created this test case. You can see it is using the same values and it has created two duplicate entries. To avoid this duplicacy, we will use dynamic data generator of Reflect. So to enter the dynamic values, what we need to do is to make these input fields, first name, last name, and especially the email, unique so that every time the test runs, it's going to enter a new contact into these fields. So let's click on this test editor. This is the first name field. This will open the properties of this particular test app. Under this execute section, there is a section input text, which we can modify to make our input unique. So highlight this text and click on replace with function. And it will show us a list of functions that allows us to generate random inputs, or we can say dynamic data. So we could go with something like alpha, and we have to mention the length of the string. This function will generate a string of random letters with the specified length. Suppose I'm giving the length as 6. It will create a word with these random word letters. And just click on add function. We can do same thing with last name. Highlight the text, replace with function, alpha, and add function. With the email address, I'm going to pick these 4 digits only, replace this function, and this time I'm using the function num. The number of digits we want, suppose 4. It will generate a random number with these 4 digits. Now click on save. The Reflect will record this as a step. Now your test simulates a new user being added every time it runs. Once you stop recording, you can review all the test steps from here, or you can even preview and customize them in the test editor. Now click on run test and watch the test run on live. Here you can see it enters a random string of letters. It has added this as a new user. And here a new contact with unique value has been inserted. So using dynamic data is very helpful in test case writing as it avoids duplicate submissions, test edge cases, stimulates real user inputs, and keep your test clean and reusable. So that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know what is dynamic data and how to use these dynamic data into Reflect.run test cases to test the forms like a pro. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want more videos on Reflect.run. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.